let me read the question now. If v equals to 2 over 3 in a bracket 2x minus 1 cube, find the differentiation of v with respect to x. So in this case, it's dv over dx. Okay, so without further delay, let us start to solve this question. Okay, to start off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy down this equation into our working here. Okay, so let me write the solution. So from here, we're going to copy down the equation that given by the question over here. So from here, v will be equals to 2 divided with 3 in a bracket 2x minus 1 cube. Okay, whenever you want to perform the differentiation, so it is better for us to split the constant outside. So in this case, the constant is in the form of fraction. Okay, so in this case, 2 over 3, we can split them. And this 2x minus 1 cube, instead of placing in the denominator, we're going to move it at the center. So when you move it at the center, so your index from 3, it will become negative 3. Okay, so from here, your v will be equals to 2 over 3, okay, and then times with 2x minus 1 to the power of negative 3. Okay, this concept is actually follow the index form, guys. Okay, so from here, I hope you understand the working till now. I mean, once you get this equation, now we can proceed to perform the differentiation. Okay, so let us differentiate v with respect to x. So from here, dv over dx, okay, is equals to, so negative 3, you times with 2 over 3. Okay, so from here, you get is negative 2, okay, in a bracket 2x minus 1. Okay, so this negative 3 you minus with 1, so it will become negative 4. Okay, and you still need to times with the differentiation of inside the bracket over here, which in this case is 2. Okay, so from here, your dv over dx is equals to negative 4 in a bracket 2x minus 1 to the power of negative 4. Okay, we are very close to our final step. So for the final step, what you're going to do is we're going to change this back into the fraction form. Okay, so from here, dv over dx is equals to negative 4, okay, over 2x minus 1 to the power of 4. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, let me underline the solution. Okay, we still have one more question to discuss, so please wait for a moment. So this is the question number 2. So let me read the question now. If y equals to x plus 1 cube divided with 2x plus 1, find dy over dx. Okay, so without further delay, let us start to solve this question. So in order to solve this question, we're going to apply the quotient rule, guys. Okay, so if you don't know what is the quotient rule, so please watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step working in order for you to solve this question. Okay, so from here, let me copy down this equation into our working here. So y is equals to x plus 1 cube, and then you divide with 2x plus 1. Okay, so let me underline the fraction. Okay, similar to the products rule, we're going to label this using the u and v letter, guys. Okay, so we're going to label the numerator as letter u, whereas for the denominator, we're going to use the letter v. Okay, the naming is almost similar to the products rule. Okay, now I'm going to show you the difference between the products rule and the quotient rule, guys. Okay, the difference is the application of the formula over here. Okay, so from here, in order to find the dy over dx, okay, will be equals to, okay, this v, okay, you times with the differentiation of u, in this case is du over dx, minus with u times with dv over dx, which in this case the differentiation of v with respect to x. Okay, dv over dx, okay, and you divide with v square. Okay, you can write in this way, or if in some other question, if they mention in f prime or f double prime, let's say like guys, okay, if they mention in y prime, okay, you can write in this way where v u prime, you minus with u v prime, okay, and then you divide with v square. Okay, it is also can, okay, but it depends on the question over here. So in this case, we're going to apply the first one, but if you wish to apply the second one, also can guys, there's no wrong over here. So from here, let us apply the quotient rule now. So from here, okay, let us find the dy dx for this question. So dy over dx, okay, is equals to, let us start with the v. Okay, what is the v over here? In this case, is 2x plus 1. So from here, 2x plus 1 times with the differentiation of u. Okay, what is the u over here? It is x plus 1 cube. So from here, so you differentiate this. Okay, so you get 3 in a bracket x plus 1 square. Okay, and then you times the differentiation inside the bracket over here. Okay, since inside the bracket here is 1, so 3 times with 1 over here, it is 3. So you can just leave your differentiation in this way. It is understood. Okay, this only applicable if your coefficient is 1 guys. Okay, whereas if let's say in this case, if it is 2 means you need to times with 2 and your answer will be 6. Okay, but since in this case the coefficient is only 1, you can just leave your working in this way. Okay, so from here, let us proceed to the second expression, which is u dv over dx. Okay, minus with the u, okay, x plus 1 cube. So from here, x plus 1 cube. Okay, and then you times with dv over dx. So dv over dx, in this case, the differentiation of v. Okay, if you can't see it clearly, so let me show you the differentiation of v. Okay, in this case, it is 2. Okay, and then you divide with v square. So in this case, since your v is 2x plus 1, so your v square will be, okay, let me show it over here, 2x plus 1 squared. Okay, so let us continue our working. So dy over dx will be equals to, okay, so from here, in order to make our calculation easy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out the numerator with the lowest power. Okay, so which one we need to factor out? Okay, in this case we can factor out the x plus 1. Okay, but in this case you need to identify which is the lowest power. So in this case, x plus 1 square is the lowest power. Okay, so we can factor that out. So from here, you factor out the x plus 1 square. So why we do that? In order to make our calculation easier. Okay, so from here, x plus 1 square, so you factor that out. Okay, so from here you only left with 2x plus 1. Okay, and then you times with 3. Okay, and then minus with x plus 1. Okay, and then you times with 2. Okay, now you see your calculation has become simpler the moment when you factor out the x plus 1 square. Okay, and you divide with 2x plus 1 square. Okay, solve the inside bracket. So from here, dy over dx is equals to x plus 1 square. Okay, and within the square bracket, so 2x times with 3, so you get here is 6x. Okay, and then plus with 3, and from here, so it will be minus 2x minus 2. Okay, so you times in the 2 and you times in the negative as well. Okay, so from here you divide with 2x plus 1 square. Okay, so from here let us solve the numerator. So from here, dy over dx will be equals to x plus 1 square. Okay, so from here you solve the square bracket inside, so from here you get is 4x minus 4x plus 1, okay, divide with 2x plus 1 square. Okay, so technically this is your final answer, guys. Okay, so you can leave your answer in this way. Okay, so let me underline the solution for this question. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.